Alright, hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm going to do another unboxing video. This one is for the Leupold RX 1400 rangefinder. So let's break into it. Alright. So I've got the case. Instructions. Lanyard, battery. Yeah, we don't care about that. Okay, so box is empty. Set that aside. Pretty sure this is a lanyard. Yeah, okay. Lanyard so you don't drop it. Comes with its own battery. It's a CR2. That's pretty handy. So I have to go get one. And its own little case. There it is. All right. Let's see, we've got a quick reference card inside of the case. So, okay, so inside the box, lanyard, battery, obviously the rangefinder, instructions, a little soft-sided case, and a quick reference card. So that is what you will find in the box. All right, thanks for watching.